sample number 2. So, medyo mataas yung given niya. So, let's for example, I have given here 4x squared minus 36xy plus 81y squared. So, ganun uli. Just get the square root of the first term. So, yung ating 4x squared. And then, square root po ng ating 81y squared. And then, square root of 4x squared is equal to 2x. And while 81y squared is to 9y. So then again, copy. So we have 2x and then 9y. Then enclose nyo mo sa parentheses po and then square. So ngayon po, yung sign na gagamitin natin, ito po, nasa gitna. So dahil ang ating 36 in the middle term is negative 36. So ibig sabihin, ang gagamitin natin pong pattern po, sign sa gitna is negative po ang gagamitin natin. And now, para lang ma-validate mo yung sagot mo kung tama, just simply multiply mo yung 2 times 9, and then we have, di ba, 18. And then, yung 18, multiply mo naman sa 2. Di ba, yung 18, multiply mo sa 2. So, sabihin, dapat is equal to 36. Dapat ito yung magiging sagot niya. To validate, just to validate your answer.